I'm just leaving the Skyliner out of Stroud, Oklahoma. It looks to be a very nice day. Starting off a little bit chilly. I got my rain gear on for warmth, but I have a feeling it's going to warm up pretty quick. It's about 8:30 in the morning, and I am riding into Tulsa, Oklahoma today. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. Yeah, historic Stroud, telephone office of 1903. Stroud Drug is in the Route 66 passport. Let's see in the hotel rooms. Cute little town. Pavilion. Nice Route 66 sign. It's a very nice morning. It's Sunday morning. Means it's quiet. People are getting ready to go to church or they're sleeping it off. Got a very nice shoulder here on Route 66. The route has changed a little bit. Into Oklahoma City, I was following I-40, and now the route has moved in a little bit more northerly direction, and I am following I-44. Got winds, very light winds from the north, so I have a bit of a headwind today, and coming from the north, it's a little bit chilly, but I'm hopeful that the sun will do its job and warm things up pretty quickly here. City of Bristow, Oklahoma, US 66. Historic Oklahoma, US 66 route. Looks like maybe a ghost bike here on the corner. Big bike rally. Motorcycle. Doesn't look like it's open anymore. I think I wore him out. I am heading into Tulsa. I am on a bike path along the Arkansas River, and today I'm going to be staying with Warm Showers hosts. Warm Showers is an organization where people open their homes to touring cyclists. It's all online. Everybody is reviewed. The cyclists are reviewed. The hosts are reviewed. So you always know what you're getting yourself into. I have used warm showers all over the world. And Denny in Tulsa has offered to open her home to me tonight. And we are crossing the Arkansas River. And there's Tulsa. Hi. So I think this is called the Mid-Valley Riverside Trail. I'm almost at Robin's friend's house. Hello from Tulsa, Oklahoma. I am staying at a home of a warm showers host. This is a connection that I made on Facebook, and today was kind of a big day. I rode just about 60 miles with 1,900 feet of climbing. I was on Route 66 all day. The shoulder was very wide, very smooth, and because it was Sunday, it was quiet, which was a wonderful day to be able to come into the big city of Tulsa. Was a long day, but I really enjoyed the ride. And I'm here at this beautiful home in Tulsa. It's a college professor who is hosting me, and just really everybody is just being so nice. So all right, you guys, welcome to Tulsa, Oklahoma.